Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah. grace, I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. I didn't notice it was out of place. You painting fairy tales on the wall, calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I'd hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I know well what bled out both dry. You could have anything you wanted, anything you wanted, it all for your fool's gold. And I know well why deaf and half blind. You could get anything you wanted, yeah, I would've handed it all over, falling for you. Only the fall for you, for you, for you. Only the fall for you, came in and you're looking like a sign of grace, I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.